In this video, I'm going to show you how to add cover photo on Facebook. So firstly, sign in your Facebook account, and then click on add cover photo. Your cover photo. Select a photo to appear at the top of your profile. It could be from a recent trip or something that you are proud of. Click on OK. Select photo. Select artwork. Select create a collage. Upload photo. Now here you will find option select photo, and also you can then click on save changes. Now also you can upload photo from your PC or select add cover photo on Facebook by from your PC. So click on update cover photo and click on upload photo. Then click on save changes. So this is friends, by this quick method we can know how to add photo cover on Facebook account. Thanks for watching.